I discovered the secret to the modern digital gold mines, and it begins with an unexpected twist. No face. Picture this. Thousands upon thousands of eager viewers tuning into your channel every single day. A steady stream of income flowing into your account. And you, sitting comfortably in your loungewear with your morning cup of steaming coffee, without ever having to project your likeness onto the screen. Does this concept seem like the missing puzzle piece you've been searching for? Well, stay with me, because what I'm going to share might just be the key to transforming your life. Years ago, during a particularly serendipitous moment on his winding digital journey, a pioneer named Alex made a startling realization that changed everything he thought he knew. It dawned on him that he was not his brand. His content was the shining star. Contrary to the traditional pathway to fame and success, he found himself paving his own route. Yet there he was, standing on stage, blissfully unaware of how his seemingly innocuous adventures with an old camcorder and his relentless passion for solving mysteries would ultimately spiral into what is now a formidable empire. But how, you ask, did he achieve such heights? The secret lies within the enchanting realm of faceless YouTube channels. The moment everything shifted for Alex was when he crossed paths with an extraordinary group of fellow creators. Each was a brilliant mind operating beneath a cloak of anonymity, utilizing cartoons, animations, or simply their captivating voices to convey experiences, reviews, and tutorials like never before. In that circle was Lily, a culinary mastermind who perfected the art of iconic cooking without her visage ever gracing the camera. She soon emerged as a trailblazer in this new frontier. Lily's culinary masterpiece of a channel, aptly named Savory Whispers, was gathering momentum at an impressive pace. Instead of her face, it was the savory dishes and her sultry, inviting voice that naturally drew people in. Her guiding philosophy was straightforward. The food was the true star of the show. Every well-crafted montage featuring the precise art of chopping onions, the sublime frying of fish, and the divine sizzling of perfectly cooked meat captivated viewers. They weren't necessarily enchanted by the appearance of a chef in a tall hat, but by the pure love and magic of gastronomy unfolding before their eyes. And then there was Mason, a tech aficionado whose adept hands and clever overlays magically transformed ordinary tech gadgets into must-have items. His commentary was vibrant and full of life, matching an orchestration of animations that held his audience spellbound. In no time, he accumulated countless fans among the tech-savvy community. Now, you might find yourself wondering, how do these digital personas like Lily and Mason manage to engage such vast audiences without showing their faces? It's not sorcery. It's a calculated strategy, a potent blend of creativity, strategy, and storytelling. Are you ready to dive deeper? Here's the definitive framework they've uncovered and honed to perfection. Understanding the intent. The foundation layer of this strategy involves a profound understanding of what and who your content is designed to serve. Lily focused her efforts on culinary aficionados, eager to experiment with new flavors, while Mason dug deep into the desires of tech-savvy individuals seeking the latest insights. By defining a specific audience and serving their distinct needs, they fueled their journey toward outstanding results. The resonant voice. Dive into your niche until it resonates with you like a song you can't stop humming. The sound of your content needs to be undeniably inviting. This resonance extends beyond mere tone. It's deeply intertwined with the subject's rigor and relevance. For Alex, it was his undying love for the unsolved mysteries of the world that led to the evolution of Mind Maze, a channel tailored for thrill seekers. Authenticity over glitz. Forget the allure of high budgets and glamorous setups.